Good morning, students. Last class we are finished nature and state of the reactant factor and concentration of the reactant, and third one surface area of the reactant. Sorry, two only finished. This class we are going to start with surface area of the reactant. How surface area of the reactant affect the rate of the reaction. In heterogeneous reaction, the surface areas of the solid reactant plays an important role in deciding the rate. So, surface area of the solid reactant also influence the rate of the reaction. For given mass of the reactant, when the particle size decreases, surface area increases. Particle size decreases means surface area increases. Just you can assume 1 kg solid as a sphere. That is first category, and second category, the same 1 kg mass solid taken in the powder form. So, in second category, in powder form, the particle size is smaller. Each and every particle has surface area. So, total surface area of the smaller particles is greater than larger particles. So, particle size is small means surface area is greater. That only given for a given mass of the reactant, when particle size decreases, surface area increases. Increase in surface area of the reactant leads to more collisions per liter per second. More number of particles means it has more number of surface area. So, more number of particles means more number of collisions possible per liter per second. More number of collision possible means combining of reactant. More number of collisions possible means more number of product is formed. So, rate is increased. So, increase in the surface area of the reactant leads to more collision per liter per second, and hence the rate of the reaction increased. For example, calcium carbonate, powdered calcium carbonate react much faster with dilute HCl than with the same mass of calcium carbonate as a marble. Reaction is same only. Calcium carbonate react with dilute HCl. In first category, powdered calcium carbonate is reacted with dilute HCl. In second category, marble calcium carbonate like stone, marble calcium carbonate react with dilute HCl. First category only takes place faster than second, that is powdered calcium carbonate only react faster with dilute HCl than marble calcium carbonate, because powdered calcium carbonate only has smaller size, that means surface area is greater. Surface area is greater means more number of collision takes place. More number of collision takes place means more number of product is formed. So, rate of the reaction is increased. So, surface area also affect the rate of the reaction. Next factor is effect of presence of catalyst. So far we have learned that the rate of the reaction can be increased of certain extent by increase the concentration. So, if you increase the concentration means rate of the reaction increased. If you increase the temperature means rate of the reaction increased. Surface area of the reactant increase means rate of the reaction increased. So, rate of the reaction increased by increasing the concentration, temperature, surface area. However, significant changes in the reaction can be brought out by addition of substance called catalyst. That means, if you add catalyst means that will also influence the rate of the reaction. What is catalyst? The definition only here given from here to here. If they ask define catalyst means you have to write these 3 lines. A catalyst is a substance. Catalyst is a substance which alter, that means change. That means it may increase or decrease. A catalyst is a substance which alter the rate of the reaction. Alter means change, that means it may increase or decrease the rate of the reaction without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. It can participate in the chemical reaction, but finally the final form of catalyst is same only. So, a catalyst is a substance which alters the rate of the reaction without undergoing any permanent chemical change. They may participate in the reaction, but again regenerated at the end of the reaction. In presence of catalyst, the energy of activation is lower, hence the greater number of molecules can cross the energy barrier. For understanding this line, you have to know about this diagram. See this diagram, this is reactant and this is product. The energy of reactant, energy of product, both are low. If energy is less means it is in stable, it means it is in stable. If reactant is converted to product means reactants are reacted means intermediates are formed, that intermediate only converted into product. So, this is the energy of intermediate. Just look like what? It look like mountain. If anyone cross this mountain means that person must possess this amount of energy. If anyone reached this place means they can easily go here. Like that, if any reactant having energy to reach this place means that reactant will convert it into product. If some of the reactants are reacted and that have this much energy only means it cannot convert it into product. So, again it will return back and form reactant only. So, what are the reactants having minimum this amount of energy means that reactant only will convert it into product. If reactant does not have this much energy means again it will return back to reactant only, that will not convert it into product. But if you add catalyst means catalyst form intermediate with this reactant and new intermediate is formed with that catalyst, and that intermediate energy level is this level only means more number of molecules can convert into product. If some of the molecule reached here and cannot able to convert it into product means in presence of catalyst that molecules also can convert it into product. So, with the catalyst more number of molecules will reach this peak and convert it into product. So, only in presence of catalyst the rate of the reaction is increased, more number of reactant is converted into product because the energy level of this peak is reduced. So, only more number of molecules can reach to product side. So, only in presence of catalyst the rate of the reaction is increased. That only given here. They may participate in the reaction, but again regenerated at the end of the reaction. In presence of catalyst energy of activation is lowered. This is EA, activation energy. EA, activation energy, that is energy of activation. That energy of activation is lowered. Without catalyst the energy of activation is greater than with the catalyst. So, hence greater number of molecules can cross the energy barrier. This is the energy barrier diagram. So, more number of molecules can convert it into product and change over the product, thereby increasing the rate of the reaction. So, totally 5 factors are given: nature and state of the reactant, concentration of the reactant, surface area of the reactant, and effect of presence of catalyst. Next we are going to study about rate of chemical reaction. So define rate means you have to write these three lines: change in concentration of the species involved in the chemical reaction per unit gives the rate of the reaction. That is change in concentration. Change means difference. So that only given, the definition only given in this formula. Rate is equal to minus change in concentration of the reactant divided by change in time. Rate is equal to change. Change means what? Difference. Difference between concentration of reactant divided by change in time. That is the rate of reaction. So that only given in these three lines. Change in concentration of the species. Here species means what? Reactant or product. Change in concentration of the species involved in the chemical reaction per unit time. This is called as rate. One example is given. Minus because if reaction proceed means the concentration of the reactant is decreased. So this minus indicate concentration of the reactant is decreased and concentration of A2 minus concentration of A1, initial state, final state. So change means difference between initial state and final state divided by change in time, initial time, final time. So this can be written like this: minus, the same minus given here, delta means difference between concentration of A. So del A divided by del T. Del means difference, so del T. So rate of reaction, defined rate means change in concentration of reactant or product per unit time. So this is one common equation: XA plus YB gives LC plus MD. A and B are called as reactant and C and D are called as product. A and B reacted and to convert C and D. A and B reactant, C and D product. The remaining X, Y, L, M are called as stoichiometric coefficient. That is simply number. This is number of A, this is number of B, this is number of C and number of D. Okay. Okay. So for this reaction we are going to write the rate of the reaction in terms of A. In terms of A we are going to write the rate of the reaction. Already you know the formula for rate: change in concentration of the reactant or product. Here we are going to write in terms of reactant only, that is A reactant only. Change means difference, change in concentration of the reactant divided by time taken. The reciprocal of this number only given here. If X means you have to write 1 by X. In terms of A, in terms of the reactant you are writing the rate of the reaction means you have to put minus here, because here that minus indicates decreases. That means while reaction proceeds the concentration of A is decreases, so that only indicated by minus. Like that here the rate of the reaction, here we are going to write the rate of the reaction in terms of B reactant. The same change in concentration of the reactant B. Change means difference, differentiation of concentration of B divided by time taken dt. The reciprocal of this number is given, that is 1 by Y. If you are writing the rate in terms of reactant means you have to put minus here, because if reaction proceeds concentration of the reactant, that is concentration of B is decreases, the decrease is only given by minus. Next one, rate in terms of C product. change in concentration of the product C divided by time taken, same thing only. Here no minus sign is given, that is positive is present, that means that positive indicates while reaction proceeds concentration of the C is increases, so that only given by positive symbol, and the reciprocal of L only is given. Like that, rate is equal to 1 by m differentiation of concentration of D divided by dt. In all these 4 equations, left hand sides are equal, so right hand side also equal, so it can be written like this: rate is equal to minus 1 by x dA by dt is equal to minus 1 by y dB by dt is equal to plus 1 by L dC by dt equal to 1 by m dd by dt. Thank you.